Hi friends, welcome to Dushisa's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make green pork sorpotel. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi powder, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 10 cloves of garlic, small piece of ginger, 20 pieces of black peppercorns, 12 pieces of cloves, 1 teaspoon jeera, cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon khus, poppy seeds, 20 fresh green chilies. Here I have 4 medium sized onions chopped, 4 bay leaves. Here I have pork meat boneless 800 grams and pork liver 200 grams, which I have boiled and cut into pieces. Here I have 12 tablespoons of coconut vinegar. You can add more or less according to your preference. 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt as per your taste, and water as required. Now in a mixer grinder we will add all these ingredients. We will add the vinegar and then we will grind this. Our grounded masala is ready. Now we will fry the meat. We need to fry the meat till it turns slightly golden brown in color. Our meat is done. Now we will remove this. Now in the same pan we will fry the pork liver. Our pork liver is also done. Now in the same pan we will saute the onions. We will saute it till it turns translucent. Our onion is done. Now we will add the masala. Now again we will saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add the meat and the liver. Now we will add the pork stock and the bay leaves. Add water as required, salt as per your taste, sugar, mix well. And now we will cook this on a medium flame for 25 to 30 minutes. Our sorpotel is ready. Now let's plate it up. Our Goan green pork sorpotel is ready. I am serving the sorpotel with Goan toddy sannas. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.